Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, something really cool here. Tesla just released their firmware version 2019.20.4.2. Anyways, it contains Beach Buggy Racing 2. That's right, so you know, Tesla has video games in their cars, Atari, some other stuff, but this one seems like the first true legit game for the car. Like, this is nuts. So whether you're supercharging, waiting to pick up somebody, or just killing time in your car, or you just want to play, you could do it all in your car. And yeah, you use the steering wheel controls to turn left and right, and I believe it auto accelerates and you just use the brake like to slow down and stop. You might even use the little nubs, if you will, the little roller controls as well, but we'll check it out in the car right now. And I think the only concern some people are worried about is when you're steering left or right, because your tires actually move. They're worried about how much damage that may do to the tires in the car. But we'll go down and check it out. I'll set the camera up right by the tires and I'll play and we'll see exactly how much they move. I mean, this is so cool, it's just crazy. I mean, think about it. What other car manufacturer could do this? And even if they could, how many of them would? The answer is none. This is just yet another reason why Tesla is so cool. So I'm gonna stop talking. We'll go downstairs to my white Model 3 in the garage, which is Pegasus, and we'll try it out. Oh yeah, don't forget, if you're gonna buy a Tesla and you want 1,000 free supercharging miles, use my referral code. It's located in the description. Click that link, order your car, and you will get 1,000 free supercharging miles. How cool is that? Laters. All right. Let's go ahead and hop in Pegasus really quick and let's check this game out. All right, here we go. Beach Buggy Racing 2 at the top. We're gonna go ahead and give it a try here. Now, I'm not wearing my mic. I'm gonna leave this open mic so you could hear all the audio from the game itself. So yeah, let's go ahead and give it a try. Start. Okay, now that you've read that, let's go ahead and play and let's see. It's gonna probably take a little second. Loading. Alright, so this is my first time. I'm not good at it, so bear with me. Let me turn the volume up for you. Here we go. Okay, this is pretty cool, you guys. Oh man, he took my power up. There we go. This is pretty fun. Elon, Tesla, you guys are nuts. Like, just nuts. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna edit that out. You didn't see me. Ooh, I'm in first place, you guys. Alright. Alright, I gotta get one more lap. Let me tell you, the steering is very sensitive. Well, I turned it up that way. That way I'm not using my, oh man, somebody must have did something to me. This is no good. Oh man. Sorry, I got sidetracked. I forgot what I was saying. Anyway, the game is cool. This is awesome. What? Somebody zapped me, guys. It reminds me a lot of Mario Kart. Tesla Kart. But, hold on, let me concentrate, guys. I gotta win. Oh man. What? I don't know what's happening to me, just people are doing stuff. Ooh! place. Alright, so that's what the game looks like. Hopefully they make it so you can, if you're charging and there's Wi-Fi around or something, you could have some sort of a LAN party or play versus the cars next to you while you're supercharging or something. Like, wouldn't that be cool? So yeah, that's it. The game is awesome. This is really cool. I can't wait for more to come. And Tesla and Elon, these guys really hit it out of the park. These guys are nuts. Elon is like Willy Wonka. Like, he's running a business, but he's also having fun with it. You know what I mean? So anyways, what I'm gonna do now is take the camera. I'm gonna put it out of the car and show the tires while I'm playing, just so you can see what it looks like. And then that'll be the end of the video. Alright guys, laters. Alright you guys, so here's the camera aimed at my passenger front tire, and I'm gonna go in the car and play, and you can watch the tire move. Alright, so that's it. Not too bad, right? And I had the steering wheel turned all the way to the left and all the way to the right at times. Also, I wanted to say, the more you play, the more tracks you unlock. So it's not like it's boring or anything and it's just one simple track. The more you play, the more stuff, the more tracks you unlock. And yeah, you could be playing this for a while. Alright guys, laters.